How many times have you screwed up the heads of the new screws while trying to put them on nice and tight? This blue, sometimes it's red, this Loctite stuff is really tough. Sometimes, you know, I had to cut this stuff with the knife to get the screws to sit properly. It's too time consuming, and by the time you're done, the head of the screw looks horrible. So now I present to you the solution. Ta-da! And as all good solutions, it's a pretty simple one, you know? When you try to find the solution to the problem, you must always look around. That's the key. So this one will do, or maybe this one. I really like this one. This is my favorite. This one probably might be a little overkill. Let me see. Yeah, it seems like an overkill. Yeah, but you get an idea. You just have to warm it up, basically. Just don't get it burning, just warm it up, and this is way to go. It slides in like butter. Thanks for watching.